Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new here to my channel, please subscribe. And do not forget to hit that bell so you know when I post my next video. Alright, so today I will be showing you how to make my pancake. Just a simple step. Okay? Alright, so stay tuned. Just all of these, the simple little stuff is what you need to be able to create that extra fluffy taste that you're really looking for. This is butter here that we have. This is flour. Any flour will do. And sugar. I keep saying sugar. This is salt. And this is sugar. And this is our vanilla that we're going to put just a little bit of hints of it. And milk. That's all we need, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to add our melted butter. A hint of salt, just a hint. Our sugar. Vanilla. And our milk. Okay, so our pancake is mixed and we're now ready to fry it. Nice. Alright, so we're going to heat up our pan, which we're already doing. This is the butter. Rub our pan with butter. Lower the heat. See that golden brown right there? That is what you look for. Second batch. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the pancake is done. Look at that, it's so brown and golden and just all kinds of deliciousness in it. So anyway, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I post my next content, okay? So I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.